This is a tutorial of the Home Construction Cost Estimator template by Nick Nicolason. To start off, the intro section contains a table of contents of all the different sections and data sources for the template. And to start off, you will have to put in a few inputs. The first input is the control and target markets. Now these actually come from the markets table, which is right here. And you can put your own cities or markets in this table. Secondly, you will pick the unit types. For now, we have unit type 1, 2, 3, and also phases, which include things like concrete steps, foundation footers, and all of these show up in these sections down below here. So once you pick these inputs, you will also put in a proposed unit mix for different unit types. So maybe you want to build a house with 59 units of unit type 1, 108 units of unit type 3, and then a few key variables that you can put into this section. And this allows you to put in a control market, a target market, depending on your inputs. And for each of these variables, you can put a percentage delta compared to the control, so you can see how your numbers compare to the control market. Once all these inputs are in, now you can look at some of the estimated costs associated with building residential housing units. The first visualization is the pro forma for construction costs. This looks at all different unit types, the markets, and also metrics like vertical construction pricing, total project budget with number of adjustments, and then total proposed budget with adjustments for different unit types. And there's a nice little chart here where you can see all the different costs associated with that. You can see the project cost by phase, and this is depending on what you selected here. The project cost by item. This is a detailed list of all the different items for a given market and the total project pricing for those items, so including refrigerators, dishwashers, etc. And then finally, the cost per square foot for different markets. And these are highlighted here in these two columns, and you can also see it in a nice chart here. Behind all these visualizations and charts are the master item database, which you can fill out depending on the needs of your construction company. You have the market list we talked about, the unit types, and also the phase codes.